Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you my Pixi beauty box that I got. It's the 20 years of glow and I'm thinking this box contains their most sold products. So let me just take a look inside. I'm going to be giving away something from this package, so keep on watching and also enter my last 2 videos giveaways. So you have 3 chances to keep winning makeup. Thanks for watching and let's just get to it. So I really like their makeup. I've used different makeup collections from their brand and I'm in love with their skincare more. I use their skincare almost every day since last year. I use different things. I have a full collection on my Instagram. If you follow me, you've seen the video. But I'll be probably putting an update video here and showing you skincare products I use from them. Let me show you each product. This is the Pixi Rose Cream. A lot of people love this one. I have a friend that she loves this. And it's an intensive moisturizer. In the packaging it says it's a rose cream infused with rose flower and rosemary oil. This moisturizer drenches your skin into the deep hydration. So let me show you, let me open it and let me show you how thick or like watery it is. So I put some in my hand and it's not like a very, like, I don't know how to explain this, like a cream that is very thick. It feels like a gelish, like a gel cream. I don't know how to explain it, but look at how hydrated it left my skin. I put some over there. I think it's a cream that I'm going to be using and I'll keep you guys updated if I like it or not. I think I do because I could tell right away it's very hydrating and I have very dry skin. So let's move on to the next product. This is the famous Pixi Glow Tonic. Oh my god, everyone loves this product. I love it. It's a perfect exfoliating toner. I use it all the time. I have one from Pixi that says my name on the label that I got it for a Christmas gift. Oh my god, I think it was so cute because they put my name on it. And I'll show you in another video that one. But this is like, I think their most sold product. Like, it's very good. And I definitely recommend this product. Just use like a cotton pad and after you finish washing your face, you just apply it all over your face before your moisturizer or any skincare products. It says gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types, alcohol free, dermatologist tested. Use in the morning and the night as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoid the area. Well, that's what I just told you guys. It's amazing. I really love this product. So if you ever want to try a good toner, this is it. This product right here, I've never used it. I think I've seen it before, but I'm not sure. It's called a Glow Mist. Let me move on closer. And it has like a little bit of oil on this top part. Let me shake it and see. So I was shaking it and let's see if you can see this. So I was shaking it and this is what happened. I'm thinking it has some kind of, oh yeah it does, I think argan oil. I think it's to hydrate your face. Let me read. It says for it's all over your face for a glowing, luminous, smooth complexion, enriched with 21 natural oils. Before makeup. Okay, so this is like a hydrating mist before your makeup. And after your makeup sets, adds a dewy finish. Wow. I'm really gonna check this product out then. And I'll let you guys know how I like it. So since it does all that you can use it before or after your makeup for a glowy, dewy look, I'm gonna definitely use it and try it out, and I'll probably do an update on the comments below also, and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Also follow me on Instagram because I post Insta stories. Sometimes I post products that I like and talk about them. So let's go to the next product. This palette, I already have it, so I have this idea of just giving it away on this video. This is such a beautiful everyday palette, and you could just use whatever matte eyeshadows and you just add these. Look at how beautiful and rich in color. I really don't want to touch it because I really want to give it to you. Oh, it's so beautiful. This palette is called Reflex Light, and I already have, I think, Instagram swatches. So just head into my Instagram and go look for the video. So I'll be giving this away. Like I said, I'm gonna give it away to a lucky subscriber of mine. So this next product is an Endless Silky Eye Pen, which is a waterproof eye pencil. I've actually been looking for a perfect eye pencil that is black and doesn't like it actually stays in my waterline and doesn't smudge. This one says waterproof, so I really hope this is a great one. And I'll be doing a look with it so you guys can see how it works. Oh my god, I'm shook right now. This is really black. I really like it. So I'm definitely gonna be using it. I'll let you guys know. So the last products are lip products. Let me see if I can see. So this one right here, it's called a Lip Lift Max, which is a glossy lip plumper. It's this one right here. I really love their design, like it's so cute. This one is called Petal Ice. So I took it off the tube and there's a little bubbles in there. So this is the wand and the doe foot applicator. It's pretty flat it's pretty thick, but then pretty flat on the sides. Let me see if I can put some in my hand. On my lips and also on my arm. This is how it looks. It goes on clear. It's like a baby pink, but you can't even tell and it doesn't have shimmer. This is just like the reflection of the light. It's just like very glossy. It feels it feels somewhat sticky, not a lot, and it's not tingling. Like I've used other lip plumpers and it tingles and it feels very minty. This one is very mild, but it does feel like a little fresh in my lips. This last product is called the Matte Last Liquid Lip. I've used their liquid lips. I really love them. They're very comfortable. This is how the doe foot applicator is. And this one's called Berry Beauty. Let me swatch it in my hands so I can show you. Before anything, this is how the wand or the applicator looks like actually. Wow, this is like one swipe, but not all the way. It has a lot of product. I think that one application will be your whole lips. Very creamy, like oh my god, it doesn't feel drying at all. It still has to dry, but I love the color. Very and beautiful. I really like it. Let's see if you could see it a little bit further away. This is a very beautiful color. It's very nice. I really like it. So that's this one. So check them out. I think they're available in different stores, but the only time I've seen them is at Target. So if you go to Target, you could see all these things, and online they always have sales. Also Target, you should check them out, because in person it's like a whole different story. So this is the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed my little showing off different products, I guess. And if you really want to win this eye reflection shadow palette, which is so beautiful, leave a comment below telling me what you like about this video or any products that you liked from this video. And also comment your Instagram handle so I could DM you and telling you that you won. So you can send me the information and I'll be sending you this product. I think I'm going to be giving away things from now on in each video if possible. A little bit to just give back to my community and my subscribers that really support me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.